Chevy p30, p31, I think it's a p30. Rear brakes. Well, well, the thing is, the customer was 100% sure the cylinders are leaking. I don't see them leaking, but the emergency brake cable was stuck. Look at the brake shoes, he got them hot. This side was not bad. Yeah, on this one you got to pull the axle to get the drum out. What I did not remove the diff cover. I removed the drain plug and I sucked out as much as I can of a differential fluid for it now. Later I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. This side, the one was seized up bad, and luckily the adjuster is seized on this side. Luckily I was able to pull the drum out. Brake shoes, well, honestly I don't remember how they looked 8 years ago when I did the cylinders. I'm not sure if they are leaking or not. Don't see anything. I can see the diff fluid coming out from the seals, and that's probably because the vent is clogged up on the differential. Got no brake pedal. Period. I pulled the cables back. They need to be, need to play with them. But here's the deal. I remember on this truck I did the front calipers, front brake hoses, maybe 6 years ago, and I did the master cylinder. But then he let the truck sit on his backyard for about 5 years, and guess what's going on here. Now that looks like we're gonna need a master cylinder. Maybe something else. I don't even know what to do with this. I think the only thing I can think of is to suck this. This doesn't even look like a brake fluid. It looks like some kind of like crap with shavings or something. I don't even know what to do with this right now. But I don't see any brake leakage on the back, so I don't know. Guess I'm gonna try to get this fluid out, put a new one, see if it's whatever. Alright, well, that's what happens when the truck sits on a wet backyard for a long time. Alright, thanks.